In this video, we're going to go over how to edit an existing class in Educate. To begin, you're going to want to access your class. You can either access the class via the Classes menu item here, or you can also see your 3 most recent classes on your dashboard under My Classes. You can also access the Classes page to see all of your classes by clicking the See All button under the My Classes section on your dashboard. Go ahead and click that button. Now, whether you're here on the My Classes listing page or on the dashboard under My Classes, you can hover over your class to reveal the both Manage Members and Edit button for that class. To edit our class, go ahead and click the Edit. Now that we're editing our class, we can edit the title, description, and thumbnail of our class. If you choose to disable your class, you can also uncheck this button. Feel free to make any of your changes to any of these fields and then go ahead and click the Save button. After you've edited and updated your class, you'll get a notification here that verifies your changes that you've made to your class. From there, you can go and manage the course, add members, and do all the other activities related to your classes in Educate. Be sure to check out our other videos and tutorials to learn how to utilize the Educate platform.